Ever wondered how vegetarians and vegans get enough protein in their diet? It's a common misconception that plant-based diets are protein deficient. The truth could not be more different. Nature is abundant with plant-based proteins that are not just adequate but highly beneficial too. They're packed with fiber, vitamins and minerals and are easier for our bodies to process. So are you ready to explore the power of plant proteins? Stay tuned as we dive into some incredible sources of plant-based proteins that not only meet your dietary needs, but also tantalize your taste buds. First up on our list, we have lentils. These small but mighty legumes pack a considerable protein punch. A single cup of cooked lentils delivers about 18 grams of protein. Plus, they're versatile. You can add them to salads, stews, or even whip up a delightful lentil loaf. They're not just about protein though. Lentils also offer a wealth of other nutrients like fiber, iron, and potassium. So next time you're in the kitchen, consider whipping up a delicious lentil soup or curry. Next, let's talk about a super grain that's been gaining popularity, quinoa. This mighty grain packs 8 grams of protein per cup, but it's not just about the protein. Quinoa is also a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. And let's not forget its versatility in the kitchen. You can toss it in salads, use it as a rice substitute in stir-fries, or even blend it into a smoothie. From salads to stir-fries, quinoa can add a protein punch to your meal. Let's move on to 2 fantastic soy-based proteins, tofu and tempeh. Both are derived from soybeans, but they're not identical twins. Tofu, often called bean curd, is made by curdling fresh soy milk, pressing it into a solid block and then cooling it. It's a bit like the cheese-making process. On the other hand, tempeh is made by fermenting cooked soybeans and forming them into a dense cake. Each half-cup serving of tofu boasts about 10 grams of protein, while tempeh packs a whopping 15 grams in the same serving size. Beyond their protein content, both tofu and tempeh are rich in calcium and iron, making them nutritional powerhouses. Their mild flavor and versatile texture make them a fantastic addition to a variety of dishes. You can grill them, stir-fry them, bake them, or even blend them into smoothies. They can take on the flavors of whatever you're cooking, making them a perfect protein-packed substitute for meat. Whether you stir-fry tofu or grill tempeh, these versatile proteins won't disappoint. Last but not least, let's not forget about green peas. These tiny green gems are a powerhouse of protein, offering a whopping 8 grams per cup. But that's not all. They can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Think pea soup, pea pesto, or simply steamed as a side. Plus, they're packed with fiber and vitamins A, C, and K. They're not just a pretty face on your plate. So next time you're thinking about a side dish, remember that green peas offer more than just a pop of color. As we've seen, plant-based proteins come in many forms, from the humble lentil, packed full of protein and fiber, to the versatile quinoa, a complete protein that serves as a fantastic base for a wide range of meals. And let's not forget the powerhouses of tofu and tempeh, soy-based proteins that can take on any flavor, and green peas, a common vegetable that packs an unexpected protein punch. These aren't just protein sources, they're nutrient-dense foods that come with an array of health benefits. They're rich in fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer, and they're packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall health. They're also lower in saturated fats compared to animal-based proteins, which can help support heart health. Perhaps one of the most exciting things about plant-based proteins is their versatility. Lentils can be used in everything from salads to stews, while quinoa makes an excellent addition to stir-fries or can be used as a base for a nutritious breakfast bowl. Tofu and tempeh can be marinated, grilled, stir-fried, or even baked. And green peas can be incorporated into a variety of dishes or even blended into a protein-rich smoothie. But the benefits aren't just limited to your health. By embracing plant-based proteins, you're also making a positive impact on the environment. Plant-based proteins require less water, less land, and produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions than animal-based proteins. So, why not give it a try? Start small, maybe by substituting one meal a week with a plant-based protein. Experiment with different recipes and flavors. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Each small change you make contributes to a healthier you and a healthier planet. And who knows, you might just find your new favorite dish along the way. After all, variety is the spice of life, and there's certainly no shortage of variety when it comes to plant-based proteins. So get creative, have fun, and remember, a plant-based diet can be just as protein-packed as any other diet.